Good life, easy, baby. We're back.
Again.
Good life, easy.
Let's go.
2021 has started with the
yes.
race for who's going to be the next richest man
Doesn't seem to stop.
alive.
Doesn't seem to stop.
Right?
This is now, it's become like a weekly news sort of thing.
It's become a weekly news like Instagram on all pages, motivational pages, music pages, even
Everywhere.
that page rap.
Everywhere.
They also talk about Elon Musk now,
Everywhere.
right?
It's just that race. But yeah.
So Elon Musk basically became the richest man for a minute. In 3-4 days,
Correct.
brother Jeff came
Correct.
and said that chalo bhai.
But it was shocking to see that Elon became the richest man in the world.
Yeah,
It was crazy.
His net worth grew 700% or something in 2020.
2020, imagine.
He
Somebody
was-
had a good 2020.
He did, bro.
But
He did.
700%, who would have thought Elon Musk
Yeah.
would be the richest man in the world?
But that was like the kind of the hope, you know, a
Yeah,
man like
yeah,
Elon
yeah,
Musk with
yeah,
his kind of
yeah.
visions.
Outspoken nerd.
He should be successful,
Correct.
you know.
But the way it was looking in 2020, like the way Amazon was going.
And I thought they would not be able to take
Devang,
over.
who would have thought somebody in our lifetime would have crossed the 100 billion mark? Because people were just stuck on 80 billion,
Yeah.
70 billion.
Yeah,
You know, like
Yeah.
Bill Gates was stuck on 80,
Yeah.
whatever, 70, 80 billion
Yeah.
for like years.
years.
Then Jeff comes and just takes it to some 150 bill. And then Elon comes and even surpasses that.
So Jeff had the crown for how long?
I think for a good 6-8 months.
So not a year also.
Yeah,
no?
I think like most of 2020.
Yeah. So Bill Gates, I remember growing up, only the name I knew, the richest man in the world, Bill Gates. Right? So he's had it
Yeah.
for like 15, 20 years.
Then we had somebody who came in for a short period of time, Carlos Slim or
yeah,
someone.
those
You remember
guys
that guy?
come for like 6-8 months,
Yeah,
1 year and go
then they
back.
dip.
Yeah, they dip.
Yeah. They disappear.
Yeah. So he's there in top 5, top
He's there.
10.
He's there. But Bill Gates has been there for a minute.
Yeah. So I thought Jeff would stay for
Yeah,
at
of
least
course,
2-5
of
years
course,
because
of
Amazon looks like a company that you're seeing that everyone is shopping from Amazon. Amazon
course.
Prime is doing well. It all makes sense. He has like 5 other businesses and all of them are successful.
What I thought is that nobody will come near Jeff Bezos.
Yeah.
You know?
Exactly.
Like this guy is gonna have the throne for a while.
And Elon Musk had just 30 billion at the beginning of 2020. And at the
Damn.
end of 2020, 180, 185 or something.
Legend.
Yeah. But again, it's not like he has the crown. He became the richest for 3 days. Then Jeff
Correct.
came, took over. Then
Share
after
prices.
after 3 days again, Elon took over. So I think right now Elon is
So this is like the
just, and you know what the reports and all say, like at least on Instagram pages, Elon is richer by just 100 million.
just 100 million.
Just 200 million.
Just 1.5 billion last I checked.
Jeff Bezos just needs another $150 million to take over. I'm like, okay.
Overnight. They
Okay.
like it's crazy. It's crazy. 180 billion. How much? 180, 170 billion?
180, 185.
It's crazy. But yeah, it's always these Americans battling it out
Yeah.
for the number 1 rank.
It's the American dream, na, bro.
It's the
They
American
are the
dream,
best at marketing,
you know?
right?
Yeah.
So they sell you on the vision.
Yeah. So as of right now, who's number 1?
As of right now, as of today, as of right now, when
Jeff.
we're doing the podcast, no, Elon.
Elon?
Yeah.
Again?
Yeah, he came back again.
Bro, damn.
Yeah.
Damn.
But with Elon, na, what I've seen is that more than this is what I'm assuming, that more than SpaceX and Tesla, I think the public are investing in Elon. Don't you think? Like how people were investing in Steve Jobs during
Correct.
Apple,
Well said.
because he is showing you the vision. He's
Yeah.
when he talks on stage, also when he's
Yeah.
giving interviews, also the way with the enthusiasm he talks, like he wants to solve the problems.
Correct.
He's bringing business in a problem-solving environment
Correct.
and
True.
making heavy amounts of profits
True.
doing it.
True, you're investing in his, or in him, in his brains,
Correct.
in his future, in his vision.
Yeah.
You know,
SpaceX is a $56 billion company.
Easy
and
money.
Today, if you and me even try to think about going to Mars, it seems like a dumb thought
yeah,
to have.
but it's possible now.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah. Again, but don't you think it's the same thing with Jeff?
I don't think
Like
it's the
you're
same thing
investing
with
in Jeff?
No, I don't think so.
Why? Because he got divorced?
No, bro. No, I don't think Elon is also like a family man or
Bro,
something.
Elon's not a family man. He's a player, bro.
Yeah, exactly.
He's a player.
Yeah. But Jeff, bro, Jeff is very technical. He's a classic businessman, you know, by the book.
By the book.
You know?
Okay.
Whereas Elon is this visionary, spiritual kind of a thought process.
Somebody who does what he wants.
Yeah.
Doesn't give a fuck about the public.
Make the world a better place.
All right.
You know, that's the concept
Not
of
only the
Elon.
world, Mars too.
Yeah, the universe a better
True that.
place.
That's a great thought. I
Right?
think that's true.
Whereas when you think about Jeff, you're like ingenious, hardworking, relentless, you know, come up with good distribution. So that's why Amazon became so big. Ventured out at the right time, with the
Correct.
right companies, invested in the right places. So very smart.
So
savvy
are you
businessman.
saying in a way that Elon Musk has replaced Steve Jobs?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
Steve Jobs.
Yeah.
Like if we could replace Steve Jobs today, Elon Musk has taken that place.
Modern day Steve Jobs. I feel because
I agree.
because when you think about Steve Jobs, when you see his autobiography, when you see videos on YouTube about him, and when you see his take on business,
Correct.
You know, it's that take. You know,
Okay.
sell a vision,
Okay.
sell an idea, sell a dream, right?
Okay.
Uh,
And think of something that is not achievable and achieve it.
exactly.
Yeah.
So when you think about Elon, it's that sell a dream, sell an idea, sell a vision, make the world a better place, change the world. But when you think about Jeff Bezos and Bill Gates, it's more practical. Make it more convenient, make it more practical, user friendly, consumer
enough.
service. You know, the classic business traits.
Fair enough. So you're saying like something that is by the book.
Yes.
Nothing that's not been achieved or done before.
Yes.
Yeah.
So I like strong foundations. I feel Amazon and
fair
all are
enough.
built on strong foundations. So have you seen the
Very
movie The Big
strong.
Short?
Of course.
Right?
Of course.
So the guy Michael Murray, or I forgot his name, bro. Basically,
Who, Christian Bale.
Christian Bale.
Yeah.
So the guy who predicted the housing crisis, the bubble. You know what he said about the Tesla
Genius,
stock?
huh?
You know what he said about the Tesla stock? The Tesla stock is the same bubble as the housing bubble during 2008.
It's gonna burst.
It's gonna burst. It's gonna burst big time. That's his prediction.
Wow. But he's got a lot of predictions right, so you
Yeah.
never know. But of course, I don't know stocks and shit that deep. But anything that fucking inflates at a 700% margin is bound to burst, right?
Not
It's just
only-
become too big too fast.
Yeah, but you know, like when I think about stocks, because I'm like you only, I don't
Yeah.
have much knowledge about stocks and finance.
I'm a bit afraid of stocks, to be honest.
Intimidated is the right word.
Yeah.
So what I see it as that when you think about an Amazon stock going up, it's believable because you're seeing that today you and me are buying everything from
Correct.
Amazon.
Correct.
Right? You're seeing that the other companies, like you are using so much of Amazon products, like Amazon Prime.
Yeah.
and
You're
all that.
consuming it on a day-to-day basis, whether it's ordering from Amazon or watching it.
Correct. When it comes
Or
to
for a matter of fact, even the server space, whatever website you go onto possibly has an Amazon server.
exactly.
It's crazy.
But when you think about Tesla, so Tesla right now is the world's biggest car company.
Car company.
What did you tell me that if like 9-10
So yeah,
companies?
like if you compare Ford, like you put in like the top 10 car
9-10
companies, Tesla will eat it.
yeah,
Like eat it.
But there are not so many Teslas
Yeah,
on the road.
of course,
They have the orders,
of
but they've
course.
not delivered.
Correct.
Right?
Valuation, na boss.
It's valuation.
Valuation.
You know, it's not transaction.
Correct.
It's valuation.
Valuation.
Right? So then it makes you think that, it can be a bubble. It can be that people are perceiving that this is the future, this is the right man to put our money into, you know,
True.
he's going to take care of it.
That's true. So it's a bubble only, I think.
It's possible.
Yeah, but I don't think Amazon is a fucking bubble.
That's what I'm saying. It's built on strong foundations.
Yeah, strong foundations and you're
With the times-
like we are consuming Amazon on a day-to-day basis. Are we consuming Tesla, bro? I don't think so.
Not.
Like how many? What if you place an order for a Tesla today? You get it after how many years?
No. And today when you travel, you know, how many Teslas do you see when you go to Italy and all? You see 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, 1, 2, yeah.
Right?
Yeah. But
For
Tesla, for a matter of fact, just entered Bangalore, right? They just opened their Tesla office.
In India.
Yeah.
Bro, I think Narendra Modi went to the
I have no idea.
factory or something. I think
Did
he met
did?
Elon.
What
I
are
was
you
just
saying?
seeing it on Instagram.
Of course, he has to meet Elon, boss. What are you saying? He's entering our country, yeah.
So I'm so happy if Tesla comes to India. You
Correct.
know.
Arey, of course, yeah. We need that shit.
But you don't see that many Teslas.
No.
You don't see that much of Tesla technology around.
But you know what I think, Devang, that we are only narrowing it down to Tesla. Like he has so many other, like the boring company, Neuralink.
Yeah, but right now he's made money because of the Tesla stock.
Tesla stock, but then again, like all his other ventures also must have like
Yeah.
shot up.
All of them are doing
Bro,
good.
I think that Neuralink is crazy.
all of
Whatever
them are
he's
doing
trying to
good.
do with that
but
shit-
he's not made that 100 billion from
he's
that.
made it through Tesla.
He's made
Okay.
it through the Tesla stock.
Okay, fair
Not
enough. Fair
SpaceX.
enough,
All
fair
of the ideas are good. The Boring Company and the Hyperloop or whatever.
Yeah,
it's
Hyperloop.
top.
Yeah.
Top. Bombay to Pune.
He has
45
another
minutes.
some AI company as well.
Yeah.
Something like that, bro. He has like 8 ventures or something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I
So-
think everyone is willing to invest in all 8 of them.
100%.
तू ले यार, तू
Wherever he.
बना.
But oh, bro, want you to tell me something about Signal and Elon?
Oh, yeah.
You know?
I think Elon just tweeted, use Signal.
Yeah.
And the stock shot up from like 6 cents to $34.
Bro, imagine 6 cents to $34 overnight.
crazy,
What
overnight.
overnight? No, one tweet.
Yeah. And the Signal servers crashed.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. So
That's
that
how-
shit. Now imagine the amount of power that guy holds in his hands.
So he is moving culture. That's the power of Elon. That's why people are investing in Elon. Like Jeff Bezos is not moving culture, he's moving consumer behavior. Right? But Elon is moving culture, like how Steve Jobs did.
Very
Thought process.
two different personalities, two different business models, and
Totally
two different visionaries.
Yeah,
Bro.
yeah.
You know, it's crazy.
Battling it
It's
out.
crazy. But some Indian will be number one someday.
Mukesh Bhai, bro.
Mukesh Bhai.
He's I think number 6 or 7.
Mukesh Bhai is coming, bro, to
Yeah.
destroy everyone. Geo.
Once the Geo ground is set, the
It's
foundation
over, bro.
is set.
It's over
then
for
it's
everyone.
over.
It's over for everyone.
Yeah, you think Geo Amazon type kind of a concept is not going to
We
come?
come in. We come in. We come in. You know.
But do you
it's
think?
crazy.
But do you think, Rahul, that like how today we are discussing, right? Who's the richest? Who has the most money?
Bro, I feel broke discussing it. You know what I'm saying, bro? Shit.
Shit. But do you think they give a fuck? Like you think Elon is happy? Like yes, I made it. Or like Jeff is like, I'm back, baby. I'm back on number 1. I'm the richest
The way,
man in
bro,
the world.
the way things are looking, what do you think?
Like we are discussing because
Who doesn't want to be number one?
yeah, that's what. Like
You know?
when you think about like athletes, right? So today Cristiano Ronaldo would be happy if he scored the most goals,
Yeah, of
got
course.
the most trophies.
Of course, of course,
okay?
of course.
Same goes for any other sport, right?
Of course.
So you think they are also getting this joy, like yes,
So indirectly, you're
Number
telling me that
like doesn't matter
that they give a fuck about topping the
Yeah.
Forbes list.
because you know how they act. Like
Yeah.
doesn't matter to us.
Of course
we
it
don't look at
matters.
it,
Yeah.
We don't think about
How
it.
can you say it doesn't matter? Of course it matters because just think about it. Whatever you do, you want to do the best.
True.
Right? You're not doing something to fucking finish second.
Yeah.
You know, so you want to be first.
So just because it's money, you're saying that they're being humble.
Yeah. But God knows what's happening behind the scenes, how much money they have stashed away somewhere else. So what I feel is that according to me, they want to be the most powerful individual on the planet. Who doesn't want to be? What do you think?
That I agree with, but I'm saying the crown of who is the richest, who has the most money, who has the most wealth, right? It's something very shady if you're proud about it, right?
Yeah, of
If
course.
you talk about it like,
Of
yo,
course.
I got so much money, so
Of
much
course,
car,
of
so many
course,
cars.
of course.
It's quite shady, right? It's a.
But these billionaires will never talk about it because you got these
But do
publishing
you
houses
think-
talking about
But do you
it.
think inside they're little happy? Like,
Bro, inside, you know what? They know that they are not the richest. You know? The richest is never on the Forbes list, bruh.
oh yeah, okay.
You know what I'm saying?
Dictator
The richest is never on the Forbes list.
Okay.
Think about it.
Richest businessman. Chalo, let me ask
The richest
you.
businessman is also not on the Forbes list.
Oh, heavy.
How do you become the richest without being a businessman, bro? How?
Hmm.
You have to do some sort of business, right?
Okay.
So according to me, bro, according to me,
Are you
Devang,
talking about Putin, bro?
bro,
Okay.
talk about all these guys, all of them, they know, you know. So, but of course, who wants to finish second when you can finish first?
Even in this?
Everywhere. What do you think? What do you
Like, I
think?
think because it's a stat
Huh.
and so many people care about it, I'm sure they read about it. Like, I think Elon just like, shunned it off saying that, okay, back to work. But I know a little bit he cares. But the fact that Elon and Jeff talk like that in interviews and all is also branding. It's
Of
also
course.
their branding, right? Because
sure.
as I said, that when you're buying Tesla stock, SpaceX stock, Amazon stock, you're kind of investing in the people also.
100%.
So this is just branding for
Correct.
themselves.
And don't you think that say for example what me and you are discussing right now, we are discussing who's number one. So doesn't that intrigue us also that okay, if you have some savings, invest in this stock,
Yeah.
You know, so you'll always invest in the stock.
तो वही तो हुआ ना.
That's number one.
720% growth.
So imagine that shit, bro. If you're the richest man in the world, you have the most valued company in the world. All the people are going to flock to you and just going to invest in you, right? So you need to be number one.
So inside, like when they go home, they are like little happy,
Of
you know,
course,
popping
bro.
the champagnes,
Of course,
you know.
Baby,
I'm the
100%.
richest
They're
tonight.
checking Instagram and shit. They're checking Spot Bible, Lad Bible.
You think they're calling the secretaries?
Of course.
Update me.
Of course, increment for you.
Yeah.
Increments for everybody.
God damn.
PR agency must have gotten a heavy increment.
Yeah.
Heavy increment.
I think now news channels and all have nothing to talk about now, so they talk about this. And to be honest, now I feel like we give a fuck because it's like something to talk about. And Forbes, I think the whole company has just made their wealth on discussing who has more money.
For sure.
You know?
And it's what a time to discuss who's going to be the richest and who's the number one when the world is going through a fucking recession.
Bro, have you thought about this, that when you discuss who's the richest, you know, you're not only helping the branding of those people, but you're also helping the branding of the magazine Forbes.
Of course. What is
Always.
Forbes? Bro,
Yeah.
what the fuck is Forbes? Why do you
Yeah.
go on Forbes?
Yeah.
Would you ever go on Forbes to read an article? Hell no.
Never.
I would just go on Forbes to see the ranking.
They have the dumbest articles. Best 30 under 30, 40 under 40.
I think that shit's paid.
it is obviously
I
paid.
think that shit's
and
paid.
it is the wackiest. You know, it's not like a journalist has done research on the company and on the person that this Rahul, 28-year-old, is, you know, like number 14 under 30.
that
like, you know,
shit.
Top 30 under 30.
What shit is
because he's so hardworking and he's this and he's that and he's done so many changes to this
that?
company.
Bullshit.
All bullshit. bro.
Bullshit.
All bullshit.
Bro, you know, so there are these, when I was working at a company, right, what they call as these top 100 startup awards. You know how this whole process goes about, right?
That's also paid.
Yeah, it's for everything is paid. Everything that gives you an award, according to me, is paid.
Yeah, that's true, bro.
Because they'll come to you and they'll be like, okay, you have to put in so much money to just register yourself, and then you put in X amount of money to win. Indirectly. How do you think these magazines make money, man?
And you think like big brands,
Bro, remember what
Unilever and all, like, go through these awards?
Why do you think Amir Khan doesn't attend award shows? He said it out in the open.
but that's
no?
the way it
It's a-
fair
yeah.
and all though now.
Yeah. But I'm saying again, the concept is awards. You know?
True.
So indirectly, you're paying yourself to reward yourself. You know?
And then you justify it by saying that, oh, this is going to help my branding. This is going to help me take my company
PR,
leaps and
bro.
bounds forward.
PR. That's why I'm telling you, the richest men are never on these whack-ass Forbes lists.
Name them, bro.
Bro.
Kaun hai ye? The king of Sultan of
Saying
Brunei.
It's all about the Arab money.
Arab
You know?
money.
It's all about the Arab money, bro. What rules the world? Oil.
Because nobody knows how much they have.
That's what. It's always good to be a mystery.
That is
You
true.
know?
That is true. Guju's always say कि नजर में मत आना.
तो सही ना सही अरे बराबर बोला है You think I think Mukesh Ambani must be hating it.
You think Mukesh Ambani?
I think he hates the Forbes list a lot.
But Mukesh Ambani has the most expensive house in the world.
That's fine, yeah.
$2 billion.
That's fine. I think Mukesh Ambani wouldn't like the Forbes list a lot. He seems like a low-key quiet guy.
I doubt.
What do you
that,
think?
bro. I don't think he's low key.
You think he wants to be number
I
one?
think he's one of the billionaires. I don't think he wants the rank of number one. But I think there is no doubt with the kind of population India has and the kind of markets that he's entering, it's highly possible he's
Fair
going to be
enough.
up there.
Fair enough.
Another question. Okay, just talking about business and stats.
Stats.
Do stats matter? So, today, for example, if Elon Musk has the most amount of money, the most amount of wealth generated from his business, does that make him the best businessman? I'll tell you why. Okay, for example, I can say that Sachin Tendulkar has scored the most amount of runs. Does that make him the best cricketer? And you can say, fuck that, I don't like his style. He plays like this. I like a Dhoni who whacks the ball out of the ground. That's the style I like. That's the cricket I enjoy. I don't enjoy Sachin's cricket. So it doesn't matter how many runs Sachin has scored. It doesn't matter that Sachin started at 16 and
Correct.
played for 18, 20 years.
Yeah.
I like Dhoni more. I like Ponting more. I like somebody else more. Right?
Yeah. So,
like for example, with Mayweather,
Huh.
he has the most.
I was
wins,
just going to say that.
undefeated, but you can say that no, bro. I actually like Manny Pacquiao
Yeah.
more.
Or the guy on your t-shirt.
Yeah,
You know, the
Muhammad
legend.
Ali.
Yeah, the GOAT.
It's his birthday, na?
Yeah.
Yeah.
76 he would have been today. Rest in peace, legend.
So he had losses, he had brain damage, but people consider him as the greatest,
As the
right?
GOAT. At the end of the day, I think...
So what do you think? How does that relate to business? Does having the most amount of wealth or money generated from your business make you the best businessman?
absolutely.
So you think so?
Absolutely. Absolutely. Because like I said, you're number one for a reason. Because your company has eclipsed all the other companies and is ranking number one.
True.
Your stock value probably is like reaching some sort of percentage no other company has reached. Like
Correct.
for example, what I would say is that like if we are talking only stock wise, there's this company Berkshire Hathaway where one stock is like some $200,000.
Yeah, that's Warren Buffett. Yeah.
Yeah. So you can even see that Warren Buffett is the best businessman in the world. But then at the end of the day, what is it? It's your valuation, right? It's a valuation game.
Yeah.
So I feel that if you're number one and you're the richest man in the world, indirectly you are
Yeah.
the best businessman in the
Correct.
world.
Because I think there is no direct answer for this, because what you're saying, it's absolutely right. Because when you're doing business, your main intention is to make profit. If
Correct.
you make the most profit, you
Correct.
can be
Correct.
called the best businessman. But then there is another debate to that, saying that, for example, things that are in trend, those businesses do well for that amount of time, right? Like Kodak did for that amount of time, or Polaroid did, or like companies that go up and down, Blockbuster at that time.
Yeah.
So, but obviously they didn't adapt and make it into what it could be. And some businesses don't do that well because there's not so much demand for it. But that doesn't mean that that guy is not
Correct.
giving his 100% or not developing a market for something that there is no market for.
But for that amount of period, they are the best businessmen in the world because they caught on to the trend, right?
Yeah.
If it was not trend wise, I would say the best businessman in the world is Bill Gates.
Yeah, because for like all of these guys have started their own thing.
Yeah.
They've started from scratch. So the argument that they've been given something or they are in America doesn't make sense, And then on the other side, it's like there are a lot of people who must have created a market for a new product where there is zero consumer demand and made it into a whole big business. So
Of
what
course.
what makes the best businessman? Can it be
bro.
the stats?
I'm just
Because I agree with you also that it's possible.
Yeah.
Why not? If
how else or what do you want me to say? Like somebody who donates the most.
not donates, bro.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, that's true.
That's also a good businessman because you have good ethics.
Ethics.
So at the end of the day, somebody who's ethical
Yeah.
is a good businessman. Somebody who's unethical is not a good businessman.
Yeah. But donating though is not ethical
You
in
know?
that sense, bro. It
Yeah.
depends on why you're donating and intention behind the donation.
But if you think about it, it has to be judged against something, right?
yeah.
So you might be smart, you might be like your IQ level might be the highest, or
But whatever you say, Floyd is the best. Sachin is the best.
Sachin is the best. Floyd's the best, boss. Why? Because their record speaks for itself.
The records do speak for themselves.
So if you're sitting on 180 billion, what gives you the right not to think you're the best businessman?
Yeah.
Think about
I
it.
agree with you. I agree.
Because you can buy all the companies.
Yeah.
Okay, wait, I got it.
You made demand for that in that country. No
Bro,
problem.
Devang.
I'll take it.
You know when you can be called the best businessman is when you can buy out your competition. You know, when you can buy out your competition, that's when you're the best businessman. When you have no worries in the world, bro. Think about that shit. Look at Mark Zuckerberg, bro. All the competition he bought out.
True that.
That made him a good businessman. Signal is not getting bought out. You're tripping.
The signal is made by the co-founder of WhatsApp.
He was looking for a second payday. Think about it, na, yeah. That's a good
Is
businessman.
he the best businessman?
Oh,
People like him.
That's a good one.
He protects privacy.
That's a good one. Or is he a sly businessman?
Ooh, scamming. Then
Scamming.
Signal
He'll
line
also
will
sell
refer-
out, na then. He'll be a good businessman if he doesn't and
Doesn't
he
sell
competes with WhatsApp.
Yeah, true that. If he competes
If
with
he
WhatsApp.
competes with WhatsApp, he's a good businessman.
True that.
Yeah. But all in all, that's what I think.
I think it's a fair point.
It's a fair point, right?
I agree with you. That at the end, you can say that stats don't matter, but they do matter.
Yeah, absolutely.
So take it with a pinch
It's
of
all
salt.
about the stats.
Once you get $1 billion,
Damn.
what motivates you?
Soon now only.
What motivates you then?
To get the second billion. And then to keep racking up your billions. Because once you start, you can't stop, right?
So basically you're saying that it's never a game of just affording things, right?
Bro, I think what a billionaire can buy, what somebody who, if say for example, I have 1 billion and you have 50 billion. At the end
Lifestyle is same.
Bro, at the end of the day, we can purchase whatever we want,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
You might want a Lamborghini, I might want a Rolls Royce, we can buy that shit.
You mean multiples?
Yeah, multiples. You might want a big house, I might want a big house, we can buy that shit.
So,
right?
I
So
agree with
lifestyle is the same.
Lifestyle of a person with 1 billion is
yeah.
the same as 50, 100 billion.
Might vary here and there, but it's the same. You know, you can't tell a difference.
True that.
So I think that eventually your wants and your needs get satisfied, right?
True.
What after that?
So you think that's why these guys are like creating a new struggle for themselves
Absolutely.
by going to Mars, starting a civilization, restart bang.
Well
Enough.
said, Aure, of course.
We have conquered Earth. We have conquered the business on Earth. Now we will start a civilization, then
That is-
start new ventures in Mars.
Incredible.
Huh?
Incredible. Just think about it.
Imagine Elon goes to Mars and becomes a farmer.
Wow. Respect. Best businessman. Starts his own
potatoes in Mars.
government there. Starts his own government. He's capable of doing that shit.
That's what I'm saying. So imagine he wants to struggle so bad, he's saying, I'll go to another planet and restart civilization.
Wow.
Colonize
Wow. What
another
a
planet.
legend. What a legend.
You know what
Absolutely.
Jeff Bezos said? Jeff Bezos said that everyone is destroying planet Earth. That's why I'm investing my billions into space and other
Makes sense, dude.
planets.
Makes
And
sense.
research and development.
Makes sense, of course. You're number one in on planet Earth. Now you start exploring other planets, man. Who gives a fuck? Because you can do that shit.
You think they're addicted to struggle?
I think.
Or
yeah.
they have this need for struggle?
Bro, I think if you're number one, what will keep you motivated to remain number one?
Yeah. Because, see, now we like it or we don't, at that level, you have a lot of yes men
Yeah.
with you. Not in your inner circle. I'm saying when you go to parties, when you go to meet people, when you go to any social event, people around you just want a selfie.
Bro, they are just gonna. Yeah, they're yes men.
Correct? Not
Yes,
the family and friends. I'm saying
Everyone.
like social event.
Everyone.
Yeah.
Basically, when you become a billionaire,
Yeah.
you are just surrounded with fake people.
Yeah. So imagine after making it, you're going home and you're thinking that I miss the good old days, you know?
Yeah, of course.
When
So
I was
then what? Then
struggling.
you start. Yeah. Then you start thinking about the extraordinary, bro.
So that's what I'm saying. So do you think that these guys come up with these
Crazy ideas.
unbelievable, crazy ideas because they're just bored?
I think they're bored and they're too rich.
Yeah, so they
You
have
know?
the resources
Yeah.
to make shit happen.
Yeah. Like, what is it for them? They just have to give an order.
Yeah.
Think about it.
And sell a vision also.
They just have to give an order. Like, I don't think Elon Musk just has to walk into his office and say, dude, I got a
Gaadi
dream.
itna fast
I
jana
got a
chahiye."
dream last night and I want my fucking car to drive by itself. He has people who will do it for him. That's what he has to do. He just has to walk into his office and be like, yo, I want this done. It'll be done. That's the power of a billionaire. I want to venture into Mars. Done.
That's true. There's a very famous saying that real success shows by the time your idea can come to fruition. So, for example, in the night, if you have the idea that I want to start this, how much time it takes you is how successful you are. So, if you think that tomorrow morning I want to start a podcast or make a movie, and the next day you start the process and that's real
Wow.
success. But if
Wow.
you take that 1-2 years, 5 years, that's less
That's
success.
delayed
you know?
success.
So the idea is that to come from that 1-2 years
Execution.
to 1 day,
Execution.
You know?
Correct.
that's real power. You
Correct.
think and you
And
start.
you execute. Yeah. That's what these guys have done. No?
Yeah,
So,
true that.
but they've not been overnight successes.
No.
You know?
No.
They've-
They're hard work.
they've
Come
worked
from
hard,
nothing. Yeah.
They've worked hard and they've done it. So yeah, it's
That's why stats matter, no?
Yeah,
So
yeah,
now
yeah.
today we can't put in a family business into this because then stats don't matter
Stats don't
because it's generational, right?
Then what is?
Yeah.
But new struggles definitely.
And talking about struggles, there's one guy who's really struggling, who's also a billionaire, bro. Jack Ma.
Billionaires also struggle. Oh shit! What are you saying?
Chinese billionaires
Damn,
do.
Chinese billionaires struggle a lot. Chinese struggle only.
Yeah.
So Jack Ma, he's been
Man's-
struggling.
They're saying that he's kidnapped.
But they're saying that he's kidnapped, and then some news reporter came out and said he's just laying low. But we know what laying low in China means. You know?
So basically what happened was that in a few seminars, or some events, he criticized the financial system of China. He criticized the banking system of China by saying that the process of getting a loan for a small company is so tedious.
Correct.
That our middle class cannot evolve.
Correct.
And then he obviously
Yeah.
praised his company by saying that that's what we did.
Yeah.
Help the middle class, help the company.
Yeah.
Gave out loans.
Basically, I think he compared the Chinese banking system to pawn shops.
Yeah.
He said that it's so tough to get loans in China
Correct.
that you need heavy collateral.
You need heavy collateral.
And startups don't have heavy collateral.
And I think he supported a lot of startups.
Yeah, and another thing is that apparently what we what we use as Paytm or Google Pay in India, Alipay took off. They say that it got 1 billion users
In Japan, bro.
and all over Southeast Asia. And China and everywhere took over. So basically, he was going public, with Alipay. And now China's people are saying that overnight they changed the rules and regulations and stopped the IPO.
stopped it, bro.
They held the IPO.
Wasn't it supposed to be one of the biggest?
Biggest. Not one of the biggest, the
biggest.
Because I think Alibaba still is the biggest IPO in New York Stock Exchange.
Yeah.
You know? So Alipay was a revolutionary idea and a company. So overnight they stopped
No,
it.
I know for a fact that in Japan, China,
Alipay.
it's very... In China though, it's absolutely popular.
But the reason why they stopped it is because the government doesn't want money to be shifted from Chinese banks to Alipay. Because the possession of the money is in Alipay, na bro. Like Paytm, if you transfer money from a bank to the Paytm wallet, it's Paytm that's holding the money.
Correct.
So imagine 1 billion users.
Yeah.
How much money will Alipay hold? So they were like, dude, this guy is acting too smart.
True.
Let's fuck him up.
And then the stories of him getting kidnapped is because he was missing from a few events. He had his own talent show, Africa's Got Talent or
Some
something.
Africa's Next Business Startup, something like that.
Something like that, yeah. And he didn't show up for the finale when he was like very close to that show, He used to go and mentor those people and whatnot. He didn't show up for the grand finale saying that scheduling errors or mistakes or time can't make it.
But we know the truth.
We know the truth, bro.
But Jack Ma seems like such a nice, humble guy,
Doesn't he seem like a nice guy, bro?
Just think,
in fact, he's one of the billionaires I like, Okay. Inspirational, nice,
no, Jack Ma
motivating.
born at the right time at the wrong place.
Good story. Yeah.
Great story.
Bro, he made it in China. That's the hardest.
Great story. And like whenever you open a Jack Ma post or article, you'll always know about his hardships and struggles, right? Turned down from where? KFC, rejected in Harvard. Came from a very poor background and now made it to where he is. But you know what, bro? This China actually has a history of disappearing billionaires.
Of course, there's one in New York. I've seen his documentary. It was a Vice documentary. Very old one, bro. He living in a New York penthouse, bro. And he said something about the Chinese government and all. And then he ran away at the right time. And he still criticizes them.
Oh.
Yeah, they've been after his life.
Bro, there's one more.
Living in a penthouse, bro, full luxury.
Wow. So there's one more billionaire. So it's very tough to pronounce these Chinese names. So I'm not even going to try.
Yeah.
But there's this other guy who again insulted the financial regulation system.
Yeah.
And basically overnight, he was jailed for 18 years.
Yes, sir.
Another billionaire got abducted from Hong Kong.
Ooh.
For talking shit about whatever.
Yeah, this Hong Kong.
The leader.
Scene,
Now you can say the leader.
Yeah. Jinping.
Yeah. But this just makes you think that China is a scary place.
Yeah.
Yeah.
For journalists.
Crazy. I wouldn't ever want to go to China.
Yeah, because you can't say
I don't know, because if by mistake I say some shit, dude, I'm fucking dead.
Yeah, even in Russia. Yeah. You can't say the wrong things, bro.
So, like, China is a big no-no for me.
You gotta be careful, bro. You gotta be diplomatic.
Just scary.
Yeah.
Like, when I used to watch Chinese movies also back in the day, I used to get like little scared. Because the whole, like, it was a pretty, like,
and
the atmosphere.
We think it's only North Korea. But it's not.
Bro, I think China is way more dangerous than North Korea.
China is way more dangerous. They have much more power. In the world as compared to.
And what makes it scary is that you don't know what's actually going on in the country.
True that.
And the way they are hiding things and the way they are operating just makes it scarier.
On the corona topic, basically what happened was that I read that America released information saying that I think 2 or 3 scientists were showing symptoms of the virus at that time. And they found out this.
You mean from Wuhan?
In the Wuhan lab.
Fuck.
Yeah. and they are like 100% sure that it's come from
Of course.
the lab.
yeah, of course. The whole world knows
Yeah.
it. You know?
But they sold the story of the bat, huh?
They sold it.
Yeah.
They went hard with it.
Yeah. Everyone is like, how can you eat a bat and stop eating bats and all? And it's not come from the bat. It's not come from the
Fuck
bat.
that shit, bro. Whoever believe that shit, bro.
Poor bats, you know, leave the
People
bats
have been
alone.
eating bats since years.
Yeah.
Huh? People have been eating bats since years.
Yeah.
But don't they say Ebola also came from an ape? Some shit like that. Came from an animal.
God knows.
Yeah, but Corona, come on, we all know, bro. China did it.
And one thing is there, bro, talking about billionaires, bro, that no matter in times of war, in times of a pandemic, in good times, bad times, recession, depression, the rich get richer.
That's so sad, huh?
Right? That's
No,
the
you
whole
know, like,
topic of today. How everyone has made extremely large sums of
Yeah.
money.
But it's because now that you think about it, dude, at a time when the world is fucked, okay? At a time when the world is fucked, 2 billionaires have surpassed 100 billion.
Bro, all these billionaires have made lots of money.
Okay, all of them have surpassed 100 billion. Okay, 2-3 have surpassed 100 billion and now they are touching 200 billion. That has never been done before.
Yeah.
And at a time where people are losing jobs, lives, the economy is crumbling.
Bro, this is the two guys we're talking about. Imagine the people who are in the board of directors of Pfizer and all these pharma companies, you know, Moderna and all.
Incredible.
Their stock prices are eventually going to go crazy like this only.
And I think of course, I think they are going to come for the number one spot.
Yeah.
What makes you think that's not going to happen?
Yeah. So, regardless of the poor getting poorer or richer, the rich get richer.
The rich get rich. Always.
In any time.
Money makes money, bro.
Good times or bad times, the rich get richer.
Yeah. Money makes money.
You know, that's at least what we've seen until now in the history of the world.
So the rich should pay more taxes, no?
They pay less taxes.
But they should pay more.
Yeah, but they
You
pay
know?
less.
But then they'll be
Amazon-
like, wealth should be distributed equally. Yeah.
Yeah, but they pay less, bro.
They pay less, yeah.
Yeah, that's how they keep the money now, bro.
They decide.
Power, Rahul,
अरे,
power.
they-
चूतिया
अरे,
power.
they
देखो क्या मालूम power क्या
bro,
होता
I have
है?
a question for
पैसा
you.
बनाने का भी और टैक्स भी देने का नहीं.
Bro,
असली power.
talking about billionaires missing. Okay, I agree that China is a communist country. I have a question for you. Do you think that India is capable of taking down the number one richest man in India, like Mukesh Ambani?
No.
No ways, right? Because is it because he has too much power or like?
No. It's only because we have freedom of press. So today you and me can talk freely. You can't do this in China. That's the difference. You understand? So we can criticize, we can make fun, we can poke at these people.
Fair enough.
You know, today we have the freedom to poke fun at our prime minister.
Fair enough.
There's no way you can do that in China
Fair enough.
or Russia
Or Russia, correct.
or at the Arab countries.
Correct. So it's because of that freedom of speech.
Freedom of speech, freedom of press.
Right.
You know?
Right. But if a billionaire fucked around with the government,
हाँ तो गया.
gaya na.
Of course.
Like who would have thought, like Anil Ambani?
Yeah.
Who would have thought Anil Ambani from where to where?
Yeah. But Anil Ambani did not fuck around with the government. He just made very bad business decisions and toppled his empire.
Correct. Or like who would have thought like the Sahara story and all that.
Bro.
At one point, Subrata Roy was richer than the Ambanis, right?
Bro,
Easy.
you brought Anil Ambani up. He's lost the most billions. Has anybody lost more billions than Anil Ambani?
Billions, huh? We're talking billions. Yeah. Fuck, what a great one.
If Elon is the biggest winner, is
Who's
Anil
the biggest
Ambani
loser?
the biggest loser?
Need to do my research on that shit, bro. But India, if India is number one in that sense, bro.
Can you recall any guy who's like lost billions? I can only recall Anil Ambani.
Yeah, bro. Who else?
In business, huh? Not like in some scam, wham and all of that. Legit business. Made money in business is Jeff and Mukesh Bhai and Elon and all these guys. And
no one. I can't
Anil
think of
Ambani
anyone.
straight up lost
How much
in
he must have? He
business.
must have lost like 10-15 billion easy.
couple of billion easy.
Wow.
Oh damn, he is actually.
Wow, bro. That's so we are at least number one in that sense. India's number one in losing billions.
And his own brother is going to be the richest eventually. Ironic.
Damn, bro. Huh?
Crazy.
Karan Arjun. But yeah, so there's no way billionaires can go missing in India unless they are Nirav Vijay or
They didn't go missing. They went
Yeah, they ran.
running. They ran away.
But they're missing only na. Yeah.
They ran away, bro. Running away is different. You
Running
understand?
away is like you're a bitch.
Thief.
You're a thief, chore, sala.
So we want them back. That you.
I wish they come back.
Yeah,
I wish they come
100%.
back. You know, wish they come back.
100%.
Should get whooped.
Yeah. And talking about another billionaire going through struggling times is Kanye West. You know, there's a.
He's like a baby billionaire.
Yeah, there's an impending divorce in talks. And
But is it really a struggle, bro? Or a blessing?
you think so?
100%.
Why?
I think it's a blessing, bro.
Now he's a father of 3 children.
So what?
And such a public relationship, you know. Spoken about his wife like she's the best thing that's ever happened to this universe.
And then how has he spoken about her wife recently?
Oh yeah,
His wife, sorry.
that's true.
You know.
That's
But how I look at it is that
He's thrown some shade.
How I look at it is it's a blessing
It's a blessing for whom?
for Kanye.
Okay.
Yeah.
The divorce is a blessing?
The divorce is a blessing for Kanye.
Why would you say that?
Because what I feel is that
You just want him out of the scene?
it's the Kardashian curse. Curse with a K. Curse.
Oh.
Yes, sir. He's breaking away from the curse, bro.
Oh.
Think
it's a
about it.
Kardashian
Think about it. Think about
curse.
it. And to be honest with you, like
So one second. Explain the Kardashian curse.
the Kardashian curse is basically any man
Yes.
that gets pulled into the Kardashian family. It's like a black hole.
Right.
You know, it's very tough to come out.
Okay.
So once you are in a sexual relationship, if I may say, you know, the minute they say, now I have not said anything. So once you're in a sexual relationship with the Kardashian Jenners,
okay.
basically that's when you start facing your downfall of your career. So that's when your downfall begins. We've seen it with multiple men, multiple talented men. And it all started with who? Lamar Odom, 6th man of the year, played alongside Kobe Bryant, multiple rings. Yeah. What happened to him? Got married to Khloe Kardashian.
Drugs and
Became a crackhead. You know what I'm saying?
He's doing crack or
He
what?
became a crackhead, OD'd in a brothel in Las Vegas. From playing with the Black Mamba, the greatest, almost the greatest to do it.
Lakers, bro.
Bro, how can Kobe Bryant's greatness not rub off on you? Where you eventually, after a few years, are found dead, almost dead in a brothel?
True that.
And then the curse continued. You know, so then there were like these multiple men that got pulled in. And
One by one,
so, you know why,
downfall
bro?
started.
I feel why they get pulled in also, bro, because I feel that you get the red carpet treatment everywhere you go.
Of course.
You're understanding what I'm saying? You're treated like a king.
Of course.
You're on every magazine.
Yeah.
You're on every second or third Instagram post. It's you.
Yeah. I
So-
think there was a period where everyone was hating on Justin Bieber, and then all of a sudden Justin Bieber became cool. If you like Justin Bieber, it's fucking cool. It's
Yeah.
dope.
Yeah,
You know.
yeah.
But before that, it was Kim Kardashian.
Kim Kardashian.
Everybody hated on her and the family and thought she's just another girl with a sex tape, you know. But she made herself so mainstream that not only liking her is cool, keeping up with the Kardashians is fucking cool because everybody saw that show. I
Correct.
saw that show.
Correct.
Do you
I think you gotta give props to the mother. You know, who's a great
Is
business.
she the best businesswoman?
I was just gonna say that. Let's agree on it. Let's agree on it. Give me another one. It's done. It's done. It's done. It's done.
Oh my god.
It's done. She is. There's no way she isn't. She's built a royal family.
She's built a royal family.
Out of what? Out of what? It's sad to say, but it's all out of a sex tape. From a sex tape to billions.
Bro, so basically, any man who's in that vicinity of the Kardashians is cursed.
Cursed.
Because even the brother is cursed.
Yeah. Bro, you know what I
Right?
feel? You know what I feel, bro? What they did to the brother? Just think about it.
Illuminati.
No, bro. What are the Kardashians? When you think of the Kardashians, what do you think about?
I think about
What do you think about? Like, give me a good quality. Like looks.
looks.
Yeah? Looks.
Yeah.
And you gotta...
Sexualization of
like,
looks.
Sexualization. Like, you
Yeah.
gotta look hot and shit.
All the
Bro, you know what they did to that poor Rob, bro? He became fat.
Okay.
Bro, where was he?
But they didn't.
No, bro. No,
food in his
bro.
mouth.
Bro, where was he? The minute you become fat, you become ugly. Get the fuck out.
Yeah, he
You
disappeared.
understanding? He disappeared. No, he was told to disappear. You're mad. Who would want to disappear from the limelight, bro?
Also, which family would say that
Huh?
don't share the
Yeah.
limelight with us?
And bro, just think about it. If you're a Kardashian, you have to look good.
You have
because that's what you're selling.
You have to.
So imagine that I feel that Kris Jenner told the son, fuck off.
Keep up.
I'll send you your check. Keep up. Keep,
Keep
up.
up,
Keep
bitch.
up, bitch. You know, keep up. Lose some fucking weight. But disappeared, bro. Nobody knows
He
about him.
disappeared, bro. He disappeared. Oh, damn.
Think
bro.
about that shit.
So, all men.
She cracked a side deal with the devil.
All men. So, basically, it is the royal family
It's
of
a royal
America,
family, yeah.
but it's ruled by women,
Correct.
right?
Correct. See, bro, women also, because see the curse also, what happened to Bruce Jenner?
Yeah. No, all the men in the
All the
family.
men,
na?
right,
All the men they've ever.
All the men.
Right?
All the men.
Like-
And you know what? I'll give you another fact.
Hmm.
If Kanye and Kim Kardashian get divorced, the Kardashians will have 100% failure rate in marriage.
Oh, yes.
Not one successful marriage.
Oh, yes.
Think about it.
Mm.
You're understanding. So the curse continues, bro, and I'm so happy. I'm just waiting for the breakup album.
Ah.
Just waiting for that shit.
Oh, damn.
You know, so
Kanye posted also something on Twitter saying that what kind of a mother would be happy to put their daughter on a Playboy magazine
Yeah.
and whatnot.
Imagine. So what I feel is that
The curse.
this is the rise of Kanye West.
the curse.
Yeah, the curse. The curse.
So, if the curse is there and we are talking about it, that means everybody knows about it. Everybody can see what's happening. But then why are the men still going in that black hole? Why, Rahul?
Bro,
Just the beauty? They're just too good looking?
You know, to be honest with you, I don't think it's just the beauty. I think it's that whole red carpet vibe. You know, I want to be famous. I want to date a Kardashian.
I'm good enough
You know?
for a Kardashian.
Yeah.
Who are you?
Kardashians, bro. You know, I'm dating a Kardashian means you made it.
You made it.
Whether you made it for 1 year, 2 years, you'll make enough money.
For sure.
You know, you'll have enough money to last you a lifetime.
Not only enough money, you have enough companies and PR agents who are telling you, go here, get this
Yeah.
much money,
Yeah.
go to this party, get
Yeah.
this much
Yeah.
money,
Yeah.
go to Dubai and party with the sheikh, get this much money.
And bro, trust me, bro, every man has a choice.
Yeah.
So he knows.
Every man has a choice.
So,
They are not pulling you in.
so at the end of the day, it's also not a curse. It's basically, you know it's a curse, you know it's a black hole, but you're jumping in it. And there are...
So it's literally selling your soul
Yeah.
for the fame
Yeah,
and
yeah.
the fortune.
Yeah, but there are a few who made it out safe.
Tiger.
Tiger and Travis Scott.
Travis Scott never.
Bro, what never? He has a baby, bro.
He has a
baby with the with the Jenner, Kylie
Yeah,
Jenner.
but he didn't get married to her, no?
No, but come on, you have a baby.
You have a baby.
You know,
that's-
so it's the same thing like Kim Kardashian. Where are they married? Yeah, they're married.
Yeah, they're fully married, bro.
Even James Harden, and like there are a few men who made it out. But
Damn, bro.
you know, the curse continues.
Okay. So talking about the curse, bro. Would you date a Kardashian?
100% I'm smashing. What sort of question is that? I'm smashing, bro. What about you, bro?
100%.
Of course.
They're too beautiful.
See, that's what I'm saying, bro. That's the most attractive black hole in the world. Who wouldn't?
Who's your favorite Kardashian? Not only looks wise, just your favorite Kardashian.
My favorite Kardashian, huh?
Okay, looks wise. Chalo, first looks wise.
Looks wise, huh? Bro, see, to be honest with you now, looks keep changing.
Just answer.
So their looks keep changing every 2-3 months, like new person pops
New
up.
person.
Like that Khloe Kardashian doesn't look like a Khloe Kardashian, looks like a new person. You know, so imagine the amount of...
That look, I don't
imagine the amount of... they are the real culture queens.
get. Yeah.
You know what they do, the world does.
100%.
Think about that shit.
100%. No doubt about it.
Think about that shit.
Elon is not moving culture like the Kardashian family is.
Of course. Botox, everyone wants that
Yeah.
shit. You know?
So who? Bolo.
To be honest with you, bro. Shit. All
You
are
have to
nice,
just
bro.
choose
All are
one.
nice, bro. To
Yeah,
be
but
honest,
choose one.
all are nice, bro.
All are nice. There's no doubt.
All
about
are
it.
nice. All are
There's
nice.
no doubt
The
about
doctor is nicer.
Who's your favorite?
I would say Kourtney Kardashian.
Courtney?
Yeah, because she comes across as a very cool person.
Okay.
Good personality.
Okay.
You know, and I don't think she Like, I think she's not, if I may say it in the right way or the wrong way, she's not too fake. You know?
That's true. I like Kendall, bro.
Kendall, huh?
And
But
for-
that's Jenner, bro. The same thing.
what are you talking about, bro? Are you mad?
That's the same thing.
It's the same thing.
Same thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, fair enough.
Kendall, bro. I like Kendall.
Yeah, my second choice would be Kendall.
Yeah, because she also looks like she's a normal human.
Yeah,
She doesn't look like she's done things to her body, you know?
She's definitely done some shit.
No, but she doesn't look like she's done.
Okay. So basically,
She's
that's what
definitely
I'm
done
saying,
it.
bro.
Listen, Rahul, there's
That's
no
what I'm
doubt
saying,
about
bro.
it.
They are nice, but the doctor's nicer.
That's what I'm saying.
You know?
Yeah. So I'm not saying that she's not done anything. I'm
Yeah.
saying she looks like she's not done too much.
True that.
You know? Whereas
True that.
Kylie, it's I don't get it. I don't get it.
What to say?
Yeah.
What to say?
And do you think?
Oh, she's a billionaire too, bro.
Yeah, bro. The whole family is now
Billy?
family, bro. The most powerful family. I'm telling you.
Incredible, bro. So basically, we agreed to the fact that the business woman or the business person of this decade,
For
Kris
sure.
Jenner,
100%.
the manager.
100%. Bro, my next question to you was, do you think that the Kardashian brand is a bigger brand or Yeezy?
Kardashians.
100%.
Bro, they're moving culture, mate.
100%.
Easy money.
Like, when you think about Kanye West, yes, everything he's doing is successful. His clothes, his shoes, even his thought-provoking ideas, you know. People can deny it, but he is really making people think, and he has his followers who like listen, like you and me, put a thought to what he says, regardless of how he says it, right? Because we respect him.
True.
But still, he is not moving culture, consumer behavior, consumer patterns, you know, like the Kardashians have done. Just imagine, Rahul, how many. I think the Kardashians have made cosmetic surgery mainstream
And
and
how?
absolutely popular and absolutely normalized,
It's crazy.
right? So, getting a Botox, getting shit done to your body, so what? I do it.
Yeah.
What's the big deal?
Now it's a normal thing.
It's absolutely normal.
But it's crazy, huh?
Whereas a few years ago, you'd be like, oh, she's not natural. Oh, she's done this. Oh, he's done that to his, you know.
Now
he's
you're
put
like, you're
Botox
natural.
here.
Oh
Yeah.
shit, something's wrong with you.
Yeah.
You understand?
So
I miss natural beauty, bro.
So imagine how many cosmetic surgeons have made lots of money around the world, you know, free marketing, you know. Also, they've employed 5-10 people in... The Kardashians have made an industry. This is one of them.
Bro, they should get royalty.
Then makeup.
For every surgery, they should get some royalty.
I think they're getting enough.
Okay, fuck it.
They're getting enough.
Fuck it.
They're getting enough.
Fuck it.
Okay. Then makeup and all revolutionized, you know.
Easy.
Now today, you can't have that opinion also.
Did they revolutionize sex tapes? Everyone wants a sex tape
Absolutely.
now. Huh?
Absolutely.
No,
they didn't.
No, not in a way. I'm not saying revolutionize, but I'm saying are celebrities now looking at sex tape as a shortcut to
Yes, that's what they did.
Fame.
Yes. So they revolutionized the idea of using sex tapes for fame.
Everyone wants to be a Kim Kardashian.
So
now.
taka.
Yeah.
Okay. Nikalo.
You know, till this day, she gets around like $50K or $100K a month. And Ray J is only surviving on the sex tape, right?
Ray J has gotten a new headphones.
I wonder why people buy that. Come on, fam.
Snoop Dogg is invested.
Bro, imagine the Kardashians have also set so many people's careers up.
Ray J.
Ray
The first
J,
guy.
yeah.
Ray J was the first guy.
Yeah.
The first cursed.
Was Ray J.
Yeah. And
Ray J
he's still
started
coming
it.
out. You know? He's still coming out of that curse.
Bach gaya.
Bach gaya. So Kardashian family, the Kardashian branding
Correct.
is bigger than Yeezy.
But you know, on the contrary, I would also like to state that the Kardashian is a family and Kanye is a single person. So the Kardashian comes with a lot of personalities and a lot of following for these individuals.
Yeah.
But Kanye is one person.
Yeah.
So you got to give props to the man.
Yeah, because Kanye has made a brand. Like, of course, we are talking about Yeezy. We are not talking about the Kanye brand. Because Kanye brand itself is also very big.
Correct.
We are just talking about Yeezy. The business line, the thought and the vision behind Yeezy. And the same goes for Kardashians.
How much money is she taking from him?
Who?
She's going to take her 50% is gone, right?
From
like that, bro.
Honestly, I think she has more money.
Yeah, she has more money, but she's
I
not
think
going to leave him like that.
She'll just want the kids.
I think it's going to be a crazy divorce.
Yeah?
Crazy divorce. I think so, bro.
It's possible because
Bro, 4 children. You got to understand 4
Oh, 3
children.
or 4?
4.
Oh, the 4.
3 surrogate, 1 natural, right?
Oh, damn.
Yeah.
Okay. I thought 3 children.
Yeah.
Oh,
That's a 4 just makes me think like,
I think
What
she'll
was
be
this
like,
planned, you know?
fuck the money. Just give me the kids. You know, you come and see them once in a while. Give me all the power with the kids.
But you know what? Do you remember when we were discussing about Britney Spears, right? And what's happening to Britney Spears right now? I'm so happy that's not going to happen to Kanye West.
Yeah, true that.
You know, he's going to be like left alone, bro. Leave the genius alone.
True that.
You know?
What do you think are the chances that Kanye will not go through with the divorce? I mean, Kim and Kanye will not go through the divorce.
Khatam.
Khatam?
It's over.
Okay.
It's over, bro.
हुआ नहीं है ना पर मैं
Oh yeah, they're saying it's as good as done.
Okay.
It's you can't repair it.
impending.
Khatam. He's there na in his Wyoming. Wyoming.
He's been there only na since a minute, bro.
Then इतना पागल कर गया कि bro he's gone. You know, he's gone to some fucking desert, made a house there, bro. You know, but I think that
He's making a whole city.
I think they made him a little crazy, bro.
Okay.
Like just
He came out in the middle and said some hard things.
Let's compare Kanye pre-Kardashian and post-Kardashian.
Okay.
Pre-Kardashian, what a musician.
Yeah.
What a musician, bro. Like winning Grammys left, right, center.
But now post Kardashian Yeezy,
Bro, Yeezy was there before.
Product line?
Yeezy
No.
was there before Kardashians also.
bro, the shoes did not come out.
What
before.
about Air Yeezy?
But I'm saying, bro, that was with Nike. That was one success. Imagine after that success to replicate it and make it bigger. That's a real challenge, bro. Doing it once is tough. Redoing it at a bigger level, that's fucking genius.
So, in a way, the only thing that helped him with Kim Kardashian is that he gained a little bit more popularity because he was introduced to the Kardashian following.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
In a way.
You can say that.
Yeah?
Definitely became the most powerful couple.
100%. 100%.
Right?
100%.
Jay-Z and Beyonce or Kim and Kanye?
Bro, Jay-Z and Beyonce told them like, yo, we ain't coming.
This is
not for us.
not classy enough.
This is not classy enough.
That's
you
a
know?
massy.
You guys are ratchet. You know, ratchet. What happened to Kanye and Jay-Z, bro?
टूट गया ना?
टूट गया. So
Holes
Kanye
before the
went through a
bros.
lot of shit, bro. You know?
अरे तू ऐसा बोल रहा है कि he's some
Bro,
victim.
he's your favorite artist, I know, and he's my favorite artist. He's been everyone's favorite artist.
Yeah.
You see videos of him right now, bro. You see him making beats. He can't dance anymore, bro. You see the way he moves to beats
But
now.
that's a new style.
No, bro.
the
I
African
think he's
style.
cloned.
Huh?
I think he's cloned.
He's cloned.
Just think about it, bro. Look at him. He's gone crazy. They made him crazy, bro. Good riddance.
Bro, another question. Who do you think is next for Kim?
Kim.
You understand? Who's next? Now, how can you up Kanye? Right? Kanye will find another good-looking girl or some nice girl. There's no doubt about it. But Kim Kardashian, who's next for her?
Bro, I think like the amount of DMs she must have got, bro.
I think now
every famous rapper, NBA
Rahul,
athlete.
I feel that now she's at a level where people are intimidated to like hit her up and all. I feel like she's bigger than all these 10-2-1-2 rappers, bro. They rap about her.
Then I think a normal individual.
That's what I feel.
You know, somebody who wouldn't be intimidated.
I feel Kim Kardashian next relationship will be like a trainer or like a chef.
Good example. You know why? You know that P Diddy billionaire.
Yeah.
His girl cheated on him, no?
Yeah.
With a trainer.
She was a hottie, bro.
And who hired
She
the
was
trainer?
damn cute.
She's too cute. She is too cute.
Yeah,
bro.
she's too cute.
Cassie.
Cassie.
You know? So I think that's what happens, bro. You go for like, I've seen too much of the limelight and all now.
So who's P Diddy dating?
P Diddy now, his choice, who he wants to.
So she went with the...
She went with the trainer.
Oh, so she
got married to the trainer.
Yeah.
She has 2 babies with the trainer now.
What?
So she got pregnant with the trainer, mate. You know? See, bro, we don't relate to all this. We are very down to earth. We are normal individuals.
Son.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, so I think Kim Kardashian next will be a chef or trainer.
Trainer or something.
Security guard.
Correct.
Something like that.
Correct.
House help.
It's crazy, huh? It's crazy. The curse
Go
continues.
to the other side of the spectrum.
Shit. Damn.
And Kanye?
Kanye, now I think there were rumors, right? Some stupid rumors
Oh yeah,
going
with
around.
Jeffree Star.
Jeffree Star.
That he's bisexual.
Yeah. But that show
But
is
that
whack.
Jeffree Star said that I have not had sex with Kanye
that
West.
show is-
That's-
apparently that whole rumor was started by some TikTok star.
Yeah, but
And it was shot down,
yeah,
bro.
fuck that.
Like Kanye? No, not Kanye, bro.
Anything is possible. but-
Actually, I was like, okay, it could be possible. But deep down, I was like, no, it shouldn't be possible. It shouldn't be true.
2020, I saw this news in 2020 and I was like,
कुछ भी possible.
believe it.
Anything's possible.
yeah, बोल रहे तो Instagram पे news आया तो सच बात है यार.
तो
क्या बात कर रहे हो?
तो क्या? It was everywhere.
It was everywhere. It was everywhere.
So I think it's the return of Kanye.
It's the return of
Return
Kanye.
of Kanye. At least when it
You
comes
think
to his
he'll be
music.
able to
bro.
survive it?
I think he's gonna.
See, you're saying that
gonna
he's out
thrive,
of the
not
curse.
survive.
Yeah. That's the hope. But I'm saying he's not yet out of the curse. You understand?
He's trying to get out of the
Yes,
curse.
like Tyga is a good example because you see him out and he's put out some good music or whatever.
Bangers.
Yeah, right?
Yeah, and Travis also.
Yeah, and he's Travis also, right? So you can see it. But Kanye is not yet out. Can he handle it? He already has a lot of mental, emotional
True that.
issues. You
I
know?
think.
Also, he has children. 4 children tied up in this
So
divorce.
you're saying he went too deep.
I am saying that you can't confidently say he's out of the curse until we see him out of the curse. Let's hope he gets
But
out
I
of
think
the curse.
he's made the first step to getting out of the curse.
I think bro. She wants the divorce,
No,
right?
he wants, bro. Of course, he wants it.
क्या बात कर रहा है?
Who?
I thought she wants because he's going a little extra.
Why is he going extra for the divorce? Na bhai.
तो तुम बोला कि उसको चाहिए मतलब.
I'm pro Kanye, bro.
Yeah,
You know, I'm the West.
yeah.
I'm on the West side, bro.
True
You
that,
know?
true that. Even I'm pro Kanye, bro.
Pro Kanye, bro. Hamni men's careers are we gonna destroy now? Enough, stop. You know?
Let's hope he makes it out, bro.
Of course he will, bro.
Last question for the night. Who is your favorite billionaire?
So, who's my favorite billionaire? God.
Second last question. I have one more question.
Huh.
Okay.
Okay,
hit
done.
it.
My favorite billionaire is the Arab family.
Which?
Like the Arab family, bro. The first family of UAE.
So you don't even know the name of the family, the last
Whatever
name
the
of the
fuck it is,
family,
bro,
the
that guy
business of the
who's
family,
the-
which family?
The king,
kya?
bro. The fucking king.
But which king? There are so many countries.
The main king, bro.
Sharjah is there, Dubai is there, Abu Dhabi
I'm
is
talking
there.
about that Abu Dhabi shit.
Okay. There's the Brunei is...
Bro, I'm talking about the richest king of UAE. I don't know his name,
Okay.
but I like the way they operate.
The richest dictator, Sultan of Brunei.
Whack.
No?
I don't care. You know, the guy who whoever, I don't know his name, but the way they operate, the way they move, bro, wow.
Classy.
I don't need no Forbes list. You know, if I'm a billionaire, I don't want to be on the list.
Okay.
You know, I want to be the guy who is this.
Right.
Like, I want to be a mysterious billionaire.
Correct.
You know.
So the fact that you answered this, because my second question was that
What about you? Wait, who's your favorite billionaire?
my favorite is Elon Musk.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And Jack Ma is also in the top 5. You know, Elon Musk is nice. I like him.
Nice. Acha. Personality?
Very good personality, eccentric, great visionary ideas.
All right,
makes
all
you
right.
think, makes you question, you know.
Okay.
Like you pray that
Okay.
we go to Mars eventually.
Okay,
You pray
okay,
that he's
okay.
successful.
Yes,
You know, you hope that yes.
Yes.
Whereas I don't have the same thing for Amazon. I don't care that much. So tomorrow if Mukesh
Bro,
Bhai-
out of everyone, you can't survive without Amazon. You're the
no, but I'm
biggest
just saying
customer.
if Mukesh Bhai comes up with a better Amazon, with a better website,
You'll
better
ditch
deals,
Amazon.
Fuck yeah.
All right, mate. All right.
But
So you're pro Jeff.
But I want Elon to go, you know. So I don't have that kind of feeling for Jeff, what I have for Elon. Nor do I have that for Bill Gates or anything, you know.
But you're open to leaving your wealth in public, like the world should know how much you want.
Like basically,
I think that's a big stress.
it is a big stress, but then also you have that feeling na कि मैंने कमाया यार, मेरा vision, मेरा idea, मेरा business, you know. सब public बात करिए, बच्चे लोग बनना चाहते हैं अपने जैसे
So you're
entrepreneur.
saying, so you're saying these Arabs didn't deserve it. Like they just were born. They were just born
Yes.
like at the right place at the right time.
Yes. But of course, they get to enjoy the wealth in a different way.
Different way, bro. different way, bro.
You understand?
You know?
So Elon also has to come there and sit with the king. के भाई जरा, you know.
He makes
Yeah.
the appointment.
हाँ, दो खजूर के साथ एक जरा deal भी दे दो.
I ain't coming, you coming. You know what I'm saying? That's it. That's power.
Yeah.
That's power.
So ironically, my second question was that if you had to choose a path to billions, would you choose being a dictator or a king or a sheikh with oil money and all of that, or would you choose the business route? You know, but yeah,
Bro, I've already gone for the dictator vibe. Bro.
yeah, dictator
You know
is
why?
hard.
because I got generational wealth.
Generational wealth.
And I don't need to depend on the stock market.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. No
You know what
bubbles
I'm
in
saying?
your
I don't
life.
give no fucks.
Yeah.
I don't give no fucks. Forbes, what, bro?
Forbes is whack. I think Forbes is whack.
Bro.
Someone needs to come up with another magazine similar to Forbes because they're not doing anything extraordinary.
Correct. Bro, and I think when you're a dictator or like somebody who comes from a generational background, like you know, someone like the Sultan of Brunei or the king of whatever these Abu Dhabi, Dubai, and all these other places. I don't think you give a fuck only about how much money you have.
Yes, you don't give a fuck, and the prime example of that is the current prince of Thailand. Basically, the king of Thailand was highly respected by the people and highly admired and loved.
Yeah, there's some shit going on in Thailand,
Yes,
right?
and his son, okay, who right now is highly respected, but he's had a lot of his antics, bro. Like heavy antics. He's gone in crop tops to malls in Switzerland.
Wow.
Like crop tops.
Wow.
Like tight crop tops. He's gotten out of planes and all.
Wow.
Yeah, and anyone in Thailand puts that picture up on WhatsApp, Facebook,
Like jailed.
I think death.
Oh, damn, bro, damn. See, that's that bad sort of dictatorship, you know?
But again, his father was highly respected.
Bro, his father
loved,
was like
transformed the country.
love.
You can't by mistake touch his picture or even the currency with your feet.
Yeah.
You know, no disrespect allowed. Like that is the amount of admiration. You know.
But you know, there's also a downside about dictatorship because at the end of the day, it's you leave the whole country in the hands of your son, and of course, if you're going to raise a son with so much money, he's bound to be psychotic.
True.
You know.
But the Arabs, on the other hand, I think have really groomed the family very well because when you see it, you don't know the dirty details of what happens inside the family, obviously. But when you see it, it looks classy.
Classy.
It looks like they have it under control.
Yeah, bro.
You know, the Sheikh of Dubai sells you on that vision,
Of
you know,
course.
and you want to be a part of that. Why not?
Of course.
You know?
And then you have these examples.
Yeah, and he makes it happen also, right? Like you go to Dubai and you meet a local, they'll be like, dude, 20 years ago, this whatever you're seeing right now is sand.
Of course.
And now look at it.
Of course. So they've proven themselves.
They've proven themselves. So I respect them as compared to the...
So what about you? Are you like the generational type or you're like the business type?
Business.
You're a businessman.
I said na कि मतलब वो होना चाहिए entrepreneur.
They go like you want to go and like be proud about yourself and be like, okay, I've earned it.
I thought about this idea. I got it to fruition. You know,
Guru vibes.
not guru, bro. Business. Man.
Guru matlab the movie.
Oh, the movie. Yes, of course.
Guru vibes, bro. Mota bhai.
Yes, Mota bhai.
So basically, you earned it.
Yes, I would.
You know, great. So we'll meet, bro. Hopefully, I become king, you become a billionaire, you know, businessman, bro.
Cheers to that.
But let's avoid the curse.
On that note, GLE.
We gone.
Ciao, ciao.